As part of ongoing efforts, internally displaced camps have been activated in some states, most especially with the recent one, Borno, that we have seen. The state government has been very proactive, and so far they have about 9 IDP camps. Additional staff have also been deployed to support search and rescue operations. We have also deployed water purification and critical search and rescue equipment to affected states, especially Borno, being the most recent, while food and non-food items are also being provided to support the affected persons.
The National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons expressed profound sorrow over the crisis, which stemmed from the overflowing Alo Dam. President Bola Tinubu visited Maiduguri, where he expressed his deepest condolences to the people of Borno State and pledged full government support to mitigate the impact of the disaster. In a moment of reflection, as families scramble for safety and lives are upturned, the question lingers: what further actions will be taken to prevent such tragedies in the future? And, more crucially, how will Nigeria rise from the depths of this calamity?